Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the color of your name brand in Clash Royale during games or clan wars or any clan chat. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Yeah, as you can see right here, we are on Clash Royale, one of the websites, and this will give you all the exact steps. But spoiler alert, you need to buy the Pass Royale before you do this. So as you have that in mind, you will see you can enter your name, and then before you enter your name, you'll enter one of these. C2 will be for red, C3 will be for green, C4 will be for blue, C5 will be for baby blue, C6 will be for purple, C7 will be for yellow, C8 will be for also purple but dark, and C9 will be for brown. You will type this, which is going to be the brackets between one of these, which will be the color that you would like, and then right after that, your name. Now remember, you can only change your name once for free, and then after that it will cost 500 gems every time extra. So once you do that and once you buy the Pass Royale, you will have your name changed and you can use it during games or Chat Royale. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.